All right, we're here with Coach Theodore Whitmore, starting the season where we ended the season last year on a winning note. How would you assess your team's overall performance today?
Well, first game of the season, it's always gonna be edgy, and it's good to get this one out the way. Again, if you look on a Portmore team last season, it was very difficult to beat. We haven't get past them, and luckily today, we could be able to walk away with 3 points.
Yeah, your team was also wasteful in front of goal because you got a couple of opportunities that better finishing you could have probably been up three or so. I mean, is that because this is the first game or is it just stuff that you really need to work on going forward?
Well, again, it's the start of the season. We have new players in. You know, the good thing is that a good thing about it is that we are creating chances. You know, it's only to put in the back of the net. But again, it's a long season. You know, a lot of work to do, a lot of games to play. So it's just a start. We just have to continue to do what more players know to do.
Yeah, and the final question is that I mean you have a big squad to balance. How do you as a coach manage so many good players and keep everyone happy?
Well, again, last season we fall short, and we don't want to make that mistake this season. In what we want to do is to contend for everything, the Premier League, the Links Cup, or whatever trophy there is to play for. So what we have a depth in our squad, you know. So again, we know how to select players going forward.
All right, coach. Thank you so much, and all the best for the rest of the season. Good way to start, the season with a victory.
All right, thank you.